I like this a lot.
Email that he sent us was incredibly cryptic. Absolute discretion not required. Let's open it.
Oh.
Okay.
What is this?
Lanyard thing. We don't know what it is. It's our picture.
This is really dope, man.
What do I tap it to?
Your phone.
It's like that.
And then you like snap it back.
Oh, and it's all handwritten.
This is amazing.
This is very sweet. My phone has NFC.
So when, yeah. Oh, that's like the thing that you wear when you're a doctor.
Look, it's our...
Half of the Aftershow, creative director and cinematographer. He's
Very
hyping me up, man.
This is really cool, though. Look, he drew our cassette.
Oh, that's dope. Justin, can I be you when I grow up? How do I turn on?
Oh, it's a scribble.
It won't turn on.
Wait, did you see that there's instructions here? Did you read those? Because that's probably, it has to do with
Are you
that.
asking me if I read instructions?
This is,
Oh, wait.
it's doing it.
There it is.
Oh,
there we are.
This is very good.
What the fuck, man? So there's our Let's Talk. Oh, there's a video. What on earth, man?
Right here in this creative scene, you can see a little bit behind the scenes.
Justin, you are literally fucking Tony Stark. I don't get this.
I'm happy to live in a world where Justin is who he is.
Oh, he's not your wallpaper.
That's
Justin.
amazing. Absolute discretion not required. That's good, because we're live. He just says
So
shit.
Tom Holland is like
Say
on a
it.
live stream and like he got a package from Avengers and on the back of it said classified. And he's reading it off and he looks at the back and he's like, oh shit.
Wow.
He quickly reaches for the live stream.
No.
This is so funny.
Never stop being you.
Oh, I guess that is that.
Yeah.
Um,
Great talk.
Oh, Justin, we love you.